What if I told you that you are not who you think you are? What if your entire life is just the vibration you choose to emit? You are not merely a corporeal entity inhabiting a material realm. You are composed of energy and exist within a universe characterized by vibrational energy. You possess the capacity to transmit and receive energy. A significant challenge you face is comprehending how to navigate existence as an energetic being in a world constituted entirely of energy. Every utterance and action, from fundamental activities such as breathing, walking, and eating, to the intricacies of your emotions and thoughts, necessitates energy. These emotions and thoughts, whether affirmative or negative, emit distinct energetic vibrations that can influence your experiences and affect the surrounding environment. By mastering your vibrations, you can unlock a realm of limitless potential. Consider yourself a transmitter of energy. You continuously emit signals that communicate your essence to the cosmos. What if I told you your energy is like a magnet, constantly pulling things toward you or pushing them away? These signals can either attract or repel other energetic entities, occurrences, and experiences. If your vibrant energy exudes anger and frustration, your physical reality will inevitably mirror that disposition. You naturally attract circumstances that resonate with your emotional state and identity. Conversely, if you project an energy of wealth and abundance, your life will manifest these qualities, thereby attracting greater wealth and abundance into your physical existence. Likewise, if you emit negative or discordant energy, you are likely to repel events that do not align with your state of being. Once you comprehend that your vibratory essence draws analogous circumstances, it is clear that to attain a different experience in life, one must alter the signals being emitted. In essence, to attract varied circumstances or outcomes, it is imperative to modify your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy to resonate with your desired experiences. By consciously adjusting the signals you project, you can instigate a transformation in the patterns and experiences that manifest in your life. You possess far greater power than you realize. By comprehending how to transmit the vibrations of your ideal life, you can fundamentally transform your perception of the world and align with your aspirations. Indeed, your thoughts are not mere random mental activities. They embody energy and vibrations. Every thought you produce initiates a distinct frequency of vibration within the neurons of your brain. This energetic activity generates a formidable force that aligns with and attracts corresponding experiences. As Christ taught, "As you believe, so shall it be done unto you." His words remind us that faith and focused intention are not passive states, but powerful creative forces. Yogananda often spoke of Christ's universal consciousness, where divine love and energy merge into a single transformative power. When you align your inner vibration with this Christ-conscious state, your thoughts, emotions, and actions flow in harmony with the highest good. In this sacred alignment, your energy becomes a beacon, drawing to you the people, opportunities, and blessings that resonate with the divine blueprint of your soul. Essentially, the energy and vibrations emitted by your thoughts function as magnets, drawing and manifesting the essence of your focus. By comprehending this principle, you can intentionally direct your thoughts towards your desired outcomes, harnessing the power of your thoughts to shape your reality. Your thoughts constitute the foundational elements of your world. There exists a proverb: monitor your ideas. They manifest as words. Observe your words. They translate into deeds. Monitor your activities, since they will evolve into habits. Monitor your habits. They shape your character. Observe your character. It determines your destiny. Your ideas are the seeds that cultivate your future. It is crucial to be cognizant of how you distribute your energy, as it is influenced by your attention. Ultimately, the decision on where to channel your energy rests with you. You possess the autonomy to choose, and even the process of decision-making necessitates energy. Albert Einstein once stated that everything is energy. Therefore, even viewing this movie necessitates energy. The energy we concentrate on ultimately determines our reality. You have the ability to direct and control this energy, deciding its focus and application, so enabling effective utilization. Direct your energy towards your objectives and ambitions. It is essential to acknowledge that you possess the ability to regulate your energy. When experiencing despondency, you can turn your focus towards something that elevates your spirits. One can also affect their energy by associating with positive others, participating in endeavors that elicit joy, and immersing oneself in positive affirmations. Implementing measures to safeguard your energy is essential, including establishing boundaries, evading detrimental events and relationships, and engaging in self-care practices. The cosmos aligns in your favor, providing you with all that harmonizes with your energy. Trusting in the potency of energy can catalyze significant transformations in your life. By placing faith in energy, you acknowledge your inherent worthiness to receive and your ability to generously contribute to others. As Paramahansa Yogananda taught, the universe is not merely a collection of inert matter, but a living ocean of vibrating energy, a divine consciousness that you can attune to. Begin to perceive that life encompasses more than mere appearances and that a greater force is at work. Establish a connection to something vast, endowed with limitless knowledge, understanding, and love. Yogananda often reminded his disciples that by tuning your heart and mind to this infinite source, you become a channel for divine power and love. Trusting in energy engenders profound enhancements in your well-being. Your energy harmonizes, your cells rejuvenate, and your overall health improves, alleviating feelings of despair, confusion, and disappointment. Fade away is supplanted by a sense of serenity, equilibrium, and buoyancy. Your energy becomes transparent, untainted, and flows seamlessly like a mountain stream. You acknowledge your worthiness and entitlement, and joy transforms into a perpetual presence in your life. Wisdom and inner tranquility enhance your existence, while clarity permeates your thoughts. The profound influence of energy manifests when one places trust in it. Everything aligns seamlessly. In the words of Yogananda, the greater the will, the greater the flow of energy. By having faith in the universe and in one's own capabilities, energy becomes both potent and tranquil. Wisdom and serenity arise from within as thoughts evolve into instruments of light, harmony, and love. Wisdom and serenity arise from within as thoughts evolve into beliefs, leading to the realization of dreams in reality. By believing in aspirations and taking tangible steps towards them, one can effectuate significant transformations in life and achieve desired goals. Trust in oneself and in the universe's guidance to navigate towards one's purpose, thereby uncovering one's true mission in this world. Close your eyes and connect with your inner self, sensing the energy flowing through you. Embrace the love, strength, and brilliance within. You are energy, endowed with the capacity to shape your reality and fulfill your aspirations. You are capable, worthy, and cherished. Have faith in yourself and the universe, and observe the magic unfold in your life. To convert your ideas into beliefs, it is essential to actively engage in the practice of belief by trusting in the universe's capacity to fulfill your needs. By recognizing your aspirations and objectives and accepting your entitlement to love and happiness, you can foster profound serenity and joy. Remember, you are not only a drop in the ocean, you embody the entirety of the ocean within a single drop. Allow your vibrations to resonate. Resonate through eternity, and may your journey be one of perpetual discovery, growth, and transformation. The universe anticipates your harmonic vibrations, prepared to co-create a reality beyond your most ambitious dreams. By deliberately selecting and harmonizing your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the desired frequency, you can attract and manifest corresponding experiences in your life. If you are still present, I would greatly appreciate your support through sharing and commenting. It would mean a great deal to me. Thank you for your time, and I wish you an exceptionally beautiful day.